In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your AnyDesk number quickly and easily so you can share it and let someone connect to your device. If you've ever wondered where to find your AnyDesk address, this guide will walk you through the exact steps on desktop and mobile. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on your computer or mobile device. If you're on a computer, you can launch it from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder. If you're on a phone or tablet, just tap the AnyDesk app icon to open it. Once the app loads, give it a second to bring up the main screen. This is where all the important connection details are shown. Now on the main screen, look for the section that says Your Address. This is the key part you're looking for. The number or address displayed in that area is your AnyDesk number. In many cases, it may be a long numeric ID, and in some versions, it may also appear as an address made up of letters and numbers. Either way, that is the ID someone else will use to connect to your device. If you want to make it easier to send to someone, you can copy the number directly. Usually, there will be a copy icon next to the address. Just tap or click that icon and the AnyDesk number will be copied to your clipboard. This makes it much faster than typing it out manually, and it also helps avoid mistakes. After that, you can share the number with the person who needs remote access. You can send it through text, email, messaging apps, or any other method you prefer. Once they have your AnyDesk number, they can enter it into their own AnyDesk app to request a connection. Just remember, only share it with people you trust because this number allows others to attempt access to your device. And that's it. You now know how to find, copy, and share your AnyDesk number in just a few seconds. This is one of the easiest things to do once you know where to look, and it's incredibly useful for remote support, screen sharing, or helping a friend or coworker connect to your device. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.